My name is Colin Thornton and my business is Optera Software Solutions based in Australia. Najam and Exfiltra recently completed some work for me to secure our Azure platform for the truck checker product. Najam provided expert architectural advice before we implemented the Azure platform. So Najam and his team really transformed what was a very basic proof of concept Azure environment into something that was scalable, maintainable, and secure. He also implemented a full IAC end-to-end pipeline so that all our configuration is now stored via version code rather than manual configuration. I found Najam to be very professional, technically capable, and I appreciated that when he didn't know the answer to something, he would make it his business to find out the best solution and get back to me with options. He's also a very clear communicator and he holds himself and his team and my team to a very high standard. I would definitely work with Najam and Exfiltra again. I actually consider them now to be one of my preferred supplier in this Azure space and will continue to work with him on future requirements. So thanks Najam. I look forward to continuing our partnership together.